In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shadowban on TikTok. If your views have suddenly dropped, but your videos aren't reaching the For You page, or engagement has slowed way down, you might be dealing with a Shadowban. While there's no single button to fix it, there are clear steps you can take to help your account recover and get back in front of your audience. Start by opening TikTok and going to your account. Make sure you're logged in so you can make changes right away. From here, you'll be able to review your recent activity and content, which is essential for troubleshooting. Think of this as your control center while you reset your presence on the platform. Next, pause posting for a few days. Give your account a short break to let the algorithm reset. During this downtime, avoid anything that might look suspicious, like mass following and unfollowing, posting the same content repeatedly, dropping the exact same comment everywhere, or using automation tools. It's fine to browse, save ideas to drafts, and watch videos, but resist the urge to publish. A brief, intentional pause often signals that you're returning to normal, authentic behavior. Now, review your content with a critical eye and remove anything that may break TikTok's rules. This includes copyrighted material you don't have rights to, re-uploaded clips from other creators, videos with third-party watermarks, or anything that violates community guidelines. Check your captions and hashtags too. Misleading tags or restricted terms can harm visibility. If you're unsure about a video, consider setting it to private or deleting it. Moving forward, use sounds from TikTok's library, create original visuals, and keep your content aligned with the guidelines to avoid triggering another shadow ban. If the issue sticks around for an extended period, contact TikTok customer support. Inside the app, go to your profile, open the menu and head to Settings and Privacy, then report a problem. Clearly explain what you're experiencing, mention when the drop began, and note that you've paused posting and removed any potentially non-compliant content. Attach screenshots of analytics if you have them. Keep your message concise and polite and give them time to respond before submitting another report. To recap, open your account, pause posting, clean up any content that could violate the rules and reach out to support if it doesn't improve. Stay patient and consistent, and you'll give your account the best chance to recover.